Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Subaru Impreza headlight. First, gather your essential tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and your brand new headlight bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Then, simply open the hood and identify the headlight assembly you plan to work on. Now, let's access the old bulb. Begin by disconnecting the electrical connector. Just press the small tab and pull it straight off. Next, use your 10mm socket wrench to remove the two bolts holding the headlight assembly in place. With the bolts out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly forward a few inches to expose the bulb housing. With the assembly accessible, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise approximately 1/4 turn, then gently pull it out. Now, take your new bulb and carefully insert it into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it firmly locks into position. Remember, avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands to prevent damage. You're almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your newly installed headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks securely. Then, slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original spot and fasten the two 10mm bolts. Finally, before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.